After accepting the new iCloud terms, some iPhone users notice that their notes have disappeared. If you're facing this issue, I have a few steps that can help restore your notes. There's an important step to follow after recovering your data, especially if you're an Apple Notes user who hasn't experienced this issue but wants to ensure your notes stay safe in the future. Please watch the video to the end or refer to the guide in the description below to learn how to archive your notes. Here's how to fix it. 1. Enable iCloud Sync for Notes. Open the Settings app. Tap on your name at the top, Apple Account Settings. Tap iCloud. Tap Notes and turn on Sync this iPhone. If it's already on, toggle it off and on again. Wait a few minutes for your notes to sync and restore from iCloud. 2. Delete and re-download the Notes app. To delete, tap and hold the Notes app icon on your home screen. Once the icons start wiggling, tap the X on the Notes app or select Remove App. Confirm by tapping Delete. To re-download, open the App Store and search for Notes. Tap the download icon, cloud with an arrow, next to the Notes app. Once reinstalled, open the Notes app and check if your notes have been restored. 3. Force restart the device. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Release the side button. Your iPhone will restart. Check the Notes sync status now. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel. 4. Start a new note on iCloud. Go to iCloud.com. Open the Notes app and start a new note. Check if the notes are now restored. Once your notes are back, archiving them in the Notes app can help ensure they're safely stored for future use. If you want to skip to the archiving section, refer to the second step in the video or guide below.